What a quiet, gentle, beautiful afternoon the Lord has prepared for your solemn wedding. Definitely, He has created the best moment in your life.
Grabe, since last year ko pa yata ito pinapractice. My love, you know that I'm not exactly the best one to share my feelings, especially about things that make me vulnerable. But with you, even though I don't say much, you make sure that I'm always seen, heard, and loved. You are my safe place, my lifeline, my endgame, and my home.
Hindi man kita makita araw-araw, hindi man kita makasama palagi, hindi man kita makasama na madalas at minsan wala tayong oras sa isa't isa. Pangako ko, pipiliin ko pa rin maging sa'yo palagi dahil hindi ako at ikaw palagi.
So, good luck and mahalin mo si Camille. More years, long years together. Be a good man and a good husband and a good father to be. Okay, good luck.
Dear Nanay, today we also honor you. Thank you for taking care of me
For the Croatia.
and Ralph. I love you so much. I love you too.
Expressions of joy, expressions of love, expression of holiness.
I vow to be present for you every moment of the day, no matter where in the world I am. You've always been worth the distance, 7,283 kilometers to be exact. You're worth the kaba kung maunload ba ako sa flight, the 9.5-hour flight to Manila, the 40-minute queue in the immigration, and the 30-minute wait for my luggage. Your face will always be my favorite sight to see in the airport.
May that beauty resonate in your prayer life. May you then be called to love prayer for your sake and for them.
First of all, I want to say I love you so much And thank you dahil tinanggap mo ang gwapo na tulad ko. 6 years of long distance relationship. Basic lang sa atin. Pero tayo, ipasal natin yung mga dumating na pagsubok sa atin. Pero tunayan natin na kaya natin. Lagi kong iniisip na change ng career. Pero hindi mo tuloy-tuloy. Ngayon alam ko na kung bakit. Dahil sa career na makikilala ko ang future wife ko.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They say out there they'll never make it, but just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight.
You are my favorite person. You are the person who helped me when I was at my lowest. You are the best thing that ever happened to me. Thank you for being there for me.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life. You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss goodnight. I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
My love, in this lifetime and even in the next, I vow to take care of you during your best, your worst, and in the in-betweens. I vow to support you in any way for you to become your best self, to gently tap you when you're snoring a little too loud, to calm my panganay urge to be bossy, and to patiently remind you of things that slip your mind, and to always bring alcohol and wet wipes as infants.
At the sunrise, I opened up my eyes, and at the first light, there you are, staring back at me with a heart so free, and I just wanna be where you are. In this moment, I could stay forever.
Whatever happens in our life, I promise to listen to you every day. I promise to make you happy when you feel sad. I promise to love you every day. I promise to work hard for us, for our future. I love you, Kami.
In this moment, I could stay forever. Hold you in my heart just like a treasure. Dreaming up our greatest new endeavor. Don't look back, we're on our way. Today is a good, good day.
I've always looked forward to this day, and here we are. Today is just day 1, and I cannot wait for days 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Ralph, my 11/11 wish come true. The man who looks like kindness and feels like home. Ang ligaya ng aking mundo. I love you always and always.